All companies have bills to pay, and Kelly's company, Security Products, was no different. Kelly's accounts payable work was a slow process. She entered bills into the system, keeping a tally on her budget spreadsheet to make sure spending stayed on track. She combed through reports, identifying which bills to pay, then moved on to approvals. Tracking down managers sometimes took days and left an untidy paper trail for her to track. When she finally got to paying bills, creating, stuffing, and mailing checks filled more days. All this busy work left her little time to do the high-level accounting work she'd gone to school for, like expense analysis and credit usage. As the company pushed to be more streamlined and work smarter, Kelly and her team knew they needed to do things differently. After moving to Sage Intacct, Kelly was able to change how she managed accounts payable. She no longer spends all her time on busy work. In fact, she cut accounts payable processing time by 65%. Kelly now starts her workday on a role-based dashboard showing her everything she needs to know about how accounts payable is doing. She sees budget versus actual expenses, bills pending, and even vendor aging. Over-budget expenses are rare, as spend management automatically alerts purchasers long before a potential expense can become a bill. Automated approval emails go to managers and other approvers according to rules based on manager roles and bill amounts. No more playing find the managers. Approvers can respond right from their phone or tablet. She has eliminated entering the same bills each month by using recurring transactions to create the bills for her. With a few clicks, Kelly opens her Pay Bills Center. She can filter by date, by vendor, or by preset filters she has set. As she chooses bills to pay, the system shows cash available, making it easy to see what can be paid today. With a variety of payment methods, she no longer spends days cutting and mailing checks. By moving as many vendors as possible to American Express card payments, Kelly has monetized her accounts payable process, taking advantage of the card float time and card points programs, as well as making sure she can take advantage of any vendor discounts. At close time, Kelly can close accounts payable independent of the overall close, thanks to subledgers. She can handle reclassifications, allocations, and journal entries specific to accounts payable, then close the books and keep working. Now Kelly spends more time doing accounts payable analysis. She's able to pay more attention to budget compliance and saving her company money. As her company grows and adds entities, she can manage vendors to better ensure they are getting the best pricing and service across the company. See how you can save time and increase visibility in your accounts payable processes by scheduling a live demo of Sage Intacct today.